Hello friends, no time no see. I'm so happy to see you again. And this is Tina, come from New Online Team. Our lighting brings out a bright LED ceiling panel light like surface and recessed. Have the three function cities. Function 1, just a green light. Welcome give you a beautiful glow, and it does not take too much electricity at all. And function 2, the main light in middle white daylight give you a clear vision. Function 3, the main light white and second green is look at very unique and modern. We have three different size and wattages.